Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to Fantasy Premier League with FPL Wizard. In this video, I present my latest draft for Game Week 1 and the transfer plan for Game Week 2 and Game Week 3. Since we have already discussed the stats in my previous videos, here I will just select my team and discuss the transfers. Starting from the keeper, I have selected Alex McCarthy of Southampton. To be honest, there are not many standout options at 4.5 million and McCarthy seems to be the best out of them. In defense, as always, the first name on my team sheet is Trent Alexander-Arnold. Although he did not feature in the Community Shield, news is that he is fit and has reported for training with England. Next is Ruben Vinagre of Wolves. Since the first choice left back Johnny is out with an ACL injury and Wolves not looking to sign a new left back, 4.5 million Vinagre is a budget route into the solid Wolves defense. My third defender is Ben Davies of Tottenham. Based on their easy fixture schedule, I think having at least one Spurs defender is a good idea. If in pre-season games, Sessegnon starts ahead of Davies, I can easily switch to him as both are priced at 5 million. For the last defender spot, I have selected Jamal Lascelles of Newcastle. The reason for selecting him is that he is nailed on and has relatively decent fixtures. Moving on to midfield, the first player that I have selected is Salah. Although the fixtures at the start of the season are not the best, but an in-form Salah can score against any opponent. Second is Allan Saint-Maximin. Priced at 5.5 million, he is a solid budget midfield pick and adds a creative spark to a lackluster Newcastle team. My next midfield pick is Son Heung-min of Tottenham. As mentioned previously, Spurs have some nice opening fixtures and Son can easily benefit from them. In my team, however, he is a short-term pick and will make way for a United midfielder after Game Week 1. The last midfield spot goes to Pierre-Emerick Aubameyang. With Fulham and West Ham as the first two fixtures, he will probably make way for Kevin De Bruyne in Game Week 3. In the forward positions, my first pick is Timo Werner of Chelsea. Priced at 9.5 million, he offers great value, especially in a Chelsea team who are looking to move on and challenge for the title again. The second forward spot goes to Dominic Calvert-Lewin. With Everton close to signing Allen from Napoli and James Rodriguez from Madrid, I think Dominic Calvert-Lewin can be a very good option at 7 million. Now let's have a look at the complete team and my transfer plan. If you find the content on this channel enjoyable and helpful, please do consider subscribing before we move on. So based on the selections, this is how the team could line up for Game Week 1. The thing to notice about the team is that I have 2 million in the bank while having a solid team for Game Week 1. On the bench, I have Nyland, Mitchell, Lemina and Davis. The transfer plan for Game Week 2 is to move on Son and get Bruno Fernandes. With this move, I would have $500,000 left in the bank. In Game Week 3, the plan is to transfer out Aubameyang for Kevin De Bruyne. This is how the team will look ahead of Game Week 3 with 1 million in the bank. Now let's have a look at one variation of the original Game Week 1 team. So taking the original team that we just built, rather than starting with Son and Dominic Calvert-Lewin, I can easily choose to start with Mane and Mitrovic or any other 6 million forward. This team gives me a chance to play both Salah and Mane against Leeds in Game Week 1. In Game Week 2, I can move Mane to Bruno Fernandes, giving me 1.5 million in the bank. In Game Week 3, I take out Aubameyang for Kevin De Bruyne and have 2 million in the bank to spare. So this is how my latest draft looks like. Please bear in mind that this can change before Game Week 1 as we get more news and press conferences. If you want to win your favorite Premier League jersey customized with your name, join the League of Wizards by using the join code on the screen or auto join link in the description. The entry to the league is absolutely free and the only condition is that you should be subscribed to the channel. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe before you leave and I will see you very soon with more FPL content. Take care. Bye bye.